Okay. Good day. I am Mr. Paradize. This is 3D Epoxy graphic floor. We just erected this year. We have been here for this. This is very beautiful concept. Call us for your home decoration, offices, mosques, church, your apartment, your hotel, effect centers. Let's make it beautiful. This is royal design. Whatever you imagine at all, we make it a reality. Whatever you imagine, we make it reality. Any design you think of at all, we make it reality. You can see the staircase as well. This is called reflective floor. This is reflective flooring design. Very wonderful. This one does not carry image. This is what we call reflective. You may choose to make your own, uh, uh, maybe brown, yellow, any color you want. Like this now, that's what the clients love to have here on the staircase. So this is a reflective epoxy floor. White, pure white is very nice and wonderful. And we are moving down to the sitting room. We are moving down to the sitting room. This is the sitting room. See how beautiful. It's the same design. It's very much sure when you have a uniform design. Very much sure and it will not so crowded. Like the same design here, design there, the same here, and the same we have there in the dining. See here, and if you come to the bathroom, the same thing we have here as well. Very beautiful design here as well. The same thing. We made the surroundings to be white so it will blend with the step and everything will be uniform. And see this one, very beautiful, very beautiful. Let's join me, let's see the kitchen. This is the dining, very wonderful as well. This is the dining, very wonderful. Let's see the kitchen. This is the kitchen, wow, both wall and ceiling. Both wall and ceiling, very beautiful. This is it. You can make your home more beautiful than this. Imagine the floor, the wall, and everything. This is the kitchen. This is where we take care of our stomach. And it's good to make the place appeal to the eyes as well. Very wonderful and beautiful. Call us for your home decoration. Call us to come and decorate your office, event center, shopping mall, car garage. This is the new interior decoration and very durable and wonderful. It can last more than paint, more than even tiles when being installed by a professional. We'll be looking forward for your call. The way you are running